Here we are back at Keto Naturopath Kitchen, and boy do I have something good for you today. I made this yesterday and oh man, I watch a lot of cooking shows. I'm on Facebook with a lot of Italian cooking Facebook groups because I am 100% Sicilian. And I don't watch any keto shows or anything like that, but I watch cooking shows and I say, how can I make that keto? Today, calzone. Oh my. We're making keto calzone with the PSMF dough. So here I have 27 grams of egg white powder. And it's just pure egg white powder, nothing else. A pinch of salt. To that, I'm going to add a half a teaspoon of dried basil and a half a teaspoon of garlic powder. Now you can use any spices you want, but with what I'm doing today and the filling in the calzone, I thought that basil and garlic powder would be good. I also love rosemary, and I use rosemary a lot, but for today, garlic powder and basil. Not a lot because I don't really want the bread to be too spicy. 6 egg whites. Actually today, since I'm not making bread and I don't care how high it gets, or I'm using carton egg whites. And I have measured several times. I've taken several different brands of eggs, several different cartons, and weighed it all. And I've come up with 210 grams of the liquid egg whites is about 6 real egg whites. So we're going to beat this up to a stiff peak, and then we're going to add the egg white protein powder, and it's going to be a little noisy. So the trick is not to overbeat them or underbeat them. It has to be perfect. Well, you know, ballpark. So this is stiff peaks, so we're good. I used to fold in the egg white powder and it would never fully incorporate. So now I add it and I continue beating. So this is the egg white powder and the spices. Add it all in. Okay, so this is what we're going to do. I have a cookie sheet lined with parchment paper, and I'm going to make 3 calzones. I'm going to form a circle. Doesn't have to be a perfect circle because we'll fix it up later. But it just has to be large enough so that your filling fits in it. And I'm going to be putting cheese, so I'm going to say, okay, does my cheese fit? Might make it a little bigger. Okay, that's the bottom layer. So now we add our filling. I'm going to start with a slice of salami, a slice of provolone cheese, and I got my slices of cheese at Aldi's, but other grocery stores also have them. Add another slice of salami, and then we're going to top it with a slice of mozzarella. I'm just cutting it in half so that I can fit it all inside the dough. Now, I'm going to top it with more of the egg white. I have a little left over. I don't want to waste it. I'm just going to put a little. I probably could have made the bottoms thicker since I have this little bit left over, but all good. So now I'm going to put this in a 350-degree oven for 10 minutes. Then I'm going to check it and see if I need to flip them over or if I just need to continue cooking for another 10 minutes. So in the oven they go for 10 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. So, calzones have been for 10 minutes. I'm taking them out to check them to see if I need to flip them over. Oh, look at that. You know, I'm not sure if I'm going to flip them over. Well, let's try it. And they're going back for another 10 minutes. Look at my little bun. Doesn't that look cute? Okay, back in the oven for 10 minutes. We'll be back and we'll try them. It's been another 10 minutes in the oven. I'm going to take them out. Oh boy, look at that. And my little bun looks so cute, doesn't it? And now we're going to cut into it. Oh, yum. Oh, look at that. Isn't that delicious? Oh boy. Now I get to eat it. That is so good. And of course, I always take a huge bite. But Keto Calzone. This is with salami and cheese. I have so many thoughts in my head of what I can do next, what fillings I can use. I have so many ideas, so you'll be seeing more.